So I hereby want to discuss on the topic of destiny, golden connection. Destiny is a force and power of glory that God assigned upon every believer, unbeliever, and individual. And this destiny is the amount of grace that make our glory to shine, and our glory determine our stars to rise. Therefore, destiny is a God force and anointing upon a believer, upon unbeliever, upon men and women that walks in our glory according to the measurement of grace upon that destiny. So no destiny, no glory. No glory, no stars. Our destiny must connect us to a golden connection, and our golden connection will rising our stars, and our stars will make our glory to shine. So destiny, glory, and stars connect to each other, and as they connect to each other, no one out of it can be omitted. If there is no destiny, there is no stars. If there is no destiny, there is no glory. But for every good destiny, there will always be a golden connection. Your connection will enforce your destiny for your glory to shine, while your glory will enforce your star to rise. So therefore, any good destiny determines good divine connection, good golden connection. There are many stars without destiny connections. There are many glories that the lack of destiny connections. If your star lack of destiny connection, your star will not shine. If your glory lack of destiny golden connection, your glory cannot arise and shine. Therefore, you have to discover your destiny golden connection before your destiny can connect your glory to shine, and before your glory can connect your star to shine. In the book of Matthew chapter 4 verse 18 to 22, immediately Jesus started his mission, the first assignment, the first thing Jesus did is that he rise up and went all around the seas to go and search for his mission destiny connections. That is, the people that they will work together, people that they will do ministry together, people that they will serve him, people that he will send here and there for mission fulfillment. And when Jesus went beside the sea, he discovered 4 disciples. Later he moved ahead and discovered another 2 disciples, making 6. And started with these 6 disciples. All these disciples today, they are the one that spread the gospel of Christ to all around the world. Even when Jesus was nailed on the cross. Before Moses can fulfill his mission in Egypt, the Lord spoke to him that he should go and meet Aaron. That Aaron, his brother, will be his interpreter, just because Moses is a stammerer. Moses can never speak without being interpreted. So the interpreter in the church started from the life of Moses, just because Moses is a stammerer. And immediately he connected to Aaron. Aaron is older more than Moses, but still is ready to serve him, is ready to be his good connection, is ready to be his destiny connection. And everything God speak to Moses, and when Moses want to speak, or when he want to relate any message to the Egyptians, Aaron interpreted for Moses. Through Aaron was all the language and the message of Moses was interpreted, and through that he makes all the people all around the Egypt to know Moses. Without Moses, who would have been hear and understand the message of God from the mouth of Moses. The same thing happened to Elisa. Elisa is a cattle rearer. He's rearing his cattle when Elijah was passing by, and he has discovered Elijah as a prophet. He leave the cattle that is rearing and immediately follow Elisa. Immediately Elisa follow Elijah. And when Elisa follow Elijah, Elisa connect and receive the double portion of the spirit of Elijah. Therefore, destiny cannot shine without a golden connection. Stars cannot rise without a golden connection. Glory cannot shine without a golden connection. Golden destiny connection. Golden destiny golden connection is the light that's shining upon the glory. Destiny golden connection is the force that rises the star and makes stars to shine. So if you are living your life and your life is starved of golden destiny connection, nothing can be done. Your destiny can never be fulfilled. Your stars cannot rise, and your glory cannot shine. Your glory cannot shine. How can I connect my destiny golden connection? Number one is by divine instructions. By divine instructions. By divine instructions. When Elijah is in the land of Tisbe and there's a famine in the land, the Lord speak to Elijah and told him that Elijah, rise up now and go into so city. You will find a widow. And Elijah rise up immediately to go and connect the widow. And when Elijah met the Widowmite, he speak the voice of the Lord for the Widowmite, and the Widowmite become his destiny golden connection. The food that the widow was prepared to eat he, she, and his son was delivered to Elijah. And that is how that Widowmite was able to live in abundance and to eat in abundance all his lifetime. Elijah is destiny golden connection to Zarephath widow. So before you can connect your destiny golden connection, there must be a divine instructions. There must be a divine instructions. Every instructions determine a result, and every result bring discovery, and every discovery release recovery. You have never received your blessing just because you have never experienced divine instructions. The book of 1 Kings 17 verse 8 to 15. So any moment that you want to connect your divine destiny golden connection, seek the Lord for divine instructions. Number two, the second thing that can make your destiny golden connection to connect you and to connect him and to locate you is divine directions. Divine directions. Divine directions. So when God spoke to Elijah in the book of 1 Kings chapter 17, God gave him direction to so cities. You meet a widow there, and that widow, he is the one that will be feeding you, because where you are now, the refined bed can never bring the fruit for you again, because every food that refined bed has bring has dry off. So go to Zarephath city, go and meet a widow there, and through that widow you will be eat in abundance. because I've released abundance to his cruse, and I've released abundance to his cruse of air, that his cruse of air will not dry off and his cruse will not finish. So when God is set to send a golden destiny connection to you, he gives divine directions. And when you receive divine directions and you walk through that directions, you're going to meet everything that God says about you. And that destiny golden connection going to link you up to your glory to shine and to your star to rise. In Genesis chapter 12, when Abraham was in his father's land, the Lord spoke to him, arise now and go to the city that I will tell thee. So when you go to this city, in this city I will make you a blessing. Whichever curse in that city will be cursed, and whichever bless you will be blessed. So everything around you will receive blessing. If you want to receive a turnaround blessing, you cannot receive it alone, because your destiny connects to certain destiny, which is your destiny golden connection. And that destiny golden connection must connect to your destiny for your destiny to shine. And your destiny must connect to that destiny golden connection for God to connect your destiny to your star to rise, and for God to connect your glory for your glory to shine. So therefore, any moment, any time you are ready for destiny fulfillment, prepare for God divine directions. God may send you away, He may send you afar to where you don't go before. He may send you where we have never reached. He may send you where you never know anybody. But immediately you receive divine directions. Instantly you receive divine destiny connection. Instantly you receive divine blessing. Instantly you receive divine breakthrough. Instantly you will receive uncommon favor, because favor will connect your destiny, and destiny will connect your favor. By divine direction is the only way and point that make your destiny connect to favor, and make your favor to connect mercy, and the door of mercy will open in your life automatically. Number 3 point that can connect you to destiny building connection is divine obedience. Divine obedience. In the book of Isaiah chapter 1 verse 19 says, if ye be willing and obedience, you will eat the good of the land. But if you reject, you will be destroyed by sword. There are many people that God disconnect them with their destiny building connection just because of their disobedience. Because if you don't hearken to your God,